Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share to you how you can use Keap's send HTTP post to send data or to send customer or contact data to Zapier using Zapier's webhook catch hook. So as you can see on the campaign builder here from Keap or Infusionsoft, I have set up a simple automation wherein when a contact gets tagged with send HTTP post to Zapier, it will send it to a sequence, and inside the sequence is where I'll send the HTTP post to Zapier. So when you look into inside the HTTP post here, so a use case of this is if you need to transfer data or information from your contacts in Keap to another platform that integrates with Zapier. So the source of the information is Keap, and the destination of that information is Zapier. So here in this send HTTP post setting, it needs a post URL where it would need to send the data to. So this post URL will be generated by Zapier. So let's go to Zapier and create a webhook. Select webhooks by Zapier, and under the event, select catch hook. Then I usually just leave this blank. And now Zapier generated a URL that we can use on the send HTTP post from Keap. So we'll copy this one and put it here. Basically, this URL is like the mailbox for the data that you'll be sending. And now we'll set up the data that we'll be sending. Here you can put dynamic values such as name. You can click merge here to put the dynamic syntax. So every time a contact goes through the automation, it extracts the name from that contact and it sends out to Zapier. When another contact goes in, it sends the name that's registered in the contact details to Zapier. Put the number here. And you can also put hard-coded values. Like if you want to tag all those coming through this automation, and you want it to be the same for all contacts that are going through this automation, you can put that. You can put a static value. And also you can put custom fields, custom field data here on the post, send HTTP post. So we'll do a test to make sure that the sending is working. So it says here that test sending is done. So we'll see if Zapier has received the data. Okay, that's good. Uh, Zapier did receive the data from our testing. Now, once in a working environment, once data has been received by Zapier, you can now transfer this information to a platform of your choosing that integrates with Zapier. So with that, I'll run a simple automation from Keap to demonstrate it working from the Keap's perspective. So I'll use this test contact, which has a name of Carlo test and a phone of 1111. Oh, by the way, the send HTTP post can be seen here on the left. You can just drag it here on the canvas. So we'll click publish. Then we'll tag Carlo test. Okay, now that we have tagged Carlo test, it should go here. Okay, and we'll look to Zapier if it did get the new information. Let's load more. Okay. Okay, got the info from Carlo test, the number, the name, and the tag. So now you can now transfer it to another app. Let's say just go ahead and do a example here of a custom request webhook. And on the data, now you can call the information. As you can see here, you can call the information that was obtained by Zapier earlier, like that. Now you can now include this step in your automations as needed. And let me know in the comments below what use cases of Zapier would you like me to demonstrate in the next video, or a use case of Keap. Just comment below. Thank you for watching.